Hello friends, today I am going to share with you how to make kokis easily at home in few minutes. Actually, kokis is a traditional Sri Lankan dish that can be seen in any Sri Lankan festivals and any special occasions. So let's see what are the ingredients. 1 cup thick coconut milk, 1 cup rice flour. This rice flour I bought from the supermarket. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, pinch of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt and oil for deep fry. First I'm going to prepare the batter. For that add rice flour to a bowl, then add pinch of sugar, salt and turmeric powder and gently mix everything, gradually adding coconut milk like this. Now kokis batter is ready. Your batter should be creamy and thick like this. Now I am going to deep fry kokis. Heat a pan and add some oil. Today I am using this non-stick mold to make kokis. If you use this type of a mold, you don't want to add any egg to the batter. Using this mold, it is much easier to release kokis from the mold. Another thing is, you don't want to pre-season the mold. Now dip the kokis mold into the hot oil. And then dip the mold to the batter like this. And again dip the mold into the hot oil like this. And then gently remove the batter from the mold. Now deep fry kokis like this. Fry other side just few seconds. When kokis turned into a golden color, place into a strainer like this. And continue the same process for the rest of the batter. You also can try this delicious kokis recipe at home and enjoy it. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get more videos and updates. Thank you for watching.